Okay guys, question everything, Truth Assassin here. So, this is my first winter in my van, and my mattress started molding. It's full of this thick black mold. I just turfed it away in the dumpster. I wish I would have saved it for you guys to see, but you know what it's like, trying to drive around town, trying to find a dumpster that you're allowed to throw stuff in is very hard to find, so you kind of have to be quick. I went to an apartment building and I quickly turfed it in. And you got to get out of there as quick as possible because people don't like that kind of stuff. We live in a world now where there's a shortage of trash cans, shortage of dumpsters. But anyway, I wish I would have saved the mattress for you guys. I had a single mattress here and it was full of black mold halfway the length of the mattress, and you can see now it's started to eat away at the wood here. And technically, I halfly blame the previous owners of this van because they were a senior couple, and originally the mattress was up top here. And it hooked into the rail system here, but they took it down because they're a senior couple and they put the mattress down here. What they didn't take into consideration is the condensation layer, because right now I have storage underneath both beds here, and the mattress was just laying on this wood platform, and the condensation coming through the windows at night, the back, say 1 to 2 feet of the bed was slightly damp, especially when it rains or snows out. And who knew that it would lead to a molding mattress? And I was laying in bed the last week and I was figuring out, I was like, why am I so itchy? I've been itchy from head to toe and I didn't realize why. I thought it was maybe I used too much soap at the laundromat or something like that. But no, this is something that you folks need to take into consideration. Is when you're van lifing in the winter, you have to pay attention to mold and the symptoms that mold bring. Like the last week, like I said, I've been waking up itchy. I've been not having the best of sleeps because I'm so itchy, and I wake up and my nose is plugged and my sinuses are all plugged and I have to blow my nose, and I didn't realize why. I thought it was, maybe just an old van, this and that, but it has been recently redone in here. I hope you guys don't mind the mess, but I had to clear everything out to remove this moldy mattress. So that's something that you guys should be aware of. It's very dangerous to be breathing this stuff in. Now I'm going to spray it down with Lysol spray and sanitizer wipes, and hopefully we can fix the issue here. And anyway guys, that's just something to be aware of while you're van lifing, and stay tuned. I'll see you next time.